Hey, Fitzgerald Fishing Store. I came across your Amazon listing and I was checking out your Amazon strategy. I want to congratulate you for receiving your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how competitive this category is, so you should be proud. I'm actually here to show you some potential enhancement that you and your team may want to consider. I've also seen a large module on your listing that you're not utilizing, which is very useful, and that's going to be a brand story that you can have on top of your A plus content. We'll talk about that as you move forward. This video will identify the pain points that could improve on your Amazon listing to reach your Amazon goals. My name is Rezamo Rosario, and I'm with my Amazon guy. Now, to start off, I'd like to jump on this tool where we can see your keyword distribution. It's good to see that you're advertising and do well done with your organic keywords. However, I see that they can still be improved. I see that you're being reliant with your sponsored keywords. Would like to see actually a 1 is to 2 ratio in here, but your organic keywords is being left behind. Do you know organic keywords can help you get seen on Amazon without spending much money on ads? Yes, you heard it right. As long as you bank on your organic keywords, you can still acquire customers and sales. Now, what I did here is I sorted the data by the most researched keyword that is relevant to your product. And as you can see, with just the keyword fishing, I know this is very broad, but a good keyword to advertise since you already started your advertising. This is being searched 527,000 times for the past 30 days, but you're not even indexing to it. Same as the fishing gear, 279,000 times, but still you're not indexing to it. So this is basis basically means that these are the keywords you're not indexing, but Amazon recommends you to. That's why it's on your list. This is something that's really hurting you because this could be your sales. Now, the more I scroll down, I did notice that you have a lot of triple digit ranking, which means you are pages deep. Of course, your customers have to sort all through the other products before they see yours, and that's really not gonna benefit you. So what I did is I pulled up one of the keyword on your listing that you're not advertising, and I want to show you how they're making on their monthly revenue. This is the fishing gear. 3.6 total revenue just this month alone. And I don't see you come up. Look at all these ads. Look how broad your category is here in Amazon. It is very broad keyword, but definitely relevant to your product. Since you're already advertising, you want to make sure that you're advertising for the right keyword that's really gonna benefit you. And of course, we'd like you to have your fair share on this market revenue. Now, I did pull up one of your competitor. Well, I'm not doing any product comparison. I just want you to see how they're growing their sales and their sales strategy. This is how their keywords is performing. Imagine they are spending very, very less than you. But look how they grow their organic keywords. They have way more than organic keywords than you. And this is mainly the reason why they have more sales and exposure. And again, they are spending less than you. Now, this could also be the reason why you want to bank more on your organic keywords rather than spending too much on your advertising. I'd like to show you what we do here in our phase 3 of our SEO process. Let's check your keyword strike zone. This is a spot 20 to 50. So from there, we do have, let's see, 67 keywords that currently do not produce much for you, basically because of their high rankings. But then again, you don't have to worry. We can definitely help you with your keyword distribution be better. Of course, we can lessen your advertising but grow more your organic keywords with our whole SEO process. We optimize listings to rank them higher. That said, instead of you, for example, being around here, fishing carry 25 in fishing carry, we can move you to top 10 and so on so on the rest of the keywords. And of course, we can get you those helpful keywords export if you take a phone call with me. We focus on strikes on keywords here in my Amazon guys phase 3 of SEO. What we do is we run a keyword gap analysis to 10 of your competitors. We look for the highest search volumes of keywords, and that's where we duplicate it for you. Now, going back to your main page, I'd like to point out some things in here too. Your general appearance is what makes Amazon for conversion, and that's going to be with your title, the bullets, and so on. Remember, it's the words that make you stand out from your competitors. Let's see how your title is running. It's very short, 149. Ideally, we'd like to see 200 characters in here. This is your SEO opportunity, so you may want to consider updating this and add many keywords to it. Now, what I do love is you have the 5 bullets in here, which is the minimum. However, I see you're not utilizing it. Each of the bullet has to have 250 to 500 characters. Why? This helps you grow your organics by stuffing them with highly relevant keywords. Now, with the images, I truly love that you have this demographic, a lot of demographic. This is really helpful and engaging. Also, the infographic, you're just missing one thing. You may want to consider having a video that's very important. It's like you're showing your customer about your product, so it's more engaging and it builds connection with your customer. Now, scrolling down to your A plus content, which is also I do love because of the pictures, this is really helpful. But I see that it's very short. Do you know that there are a lot of ways for you to generate SEO traffic using your A plus content? And as you can see, your alt text is very short too. Let me show you an example real quick. So this is a brand of Age of Sage by Stephen Pope, owner and founder of My Amazon Guy. Scroll down a little bit, you'll already see a brand story, and next would be the A plus content. Now, to boost SEO traffic, you must have 500 crawlable words in a copy. You're almost there, just may want to add more to it. And make sure that all of your alt text is on 100 characters. You can put different keywords to different alt text. And also the brand story, of course. This is what makes you unique and different from your competitors because you do have the potential to show us how you brand yourself and did you get started, what makes this product unique and special. So here at my Amazon Guy, we're a 300-person full service agency and we do everything to grow your sales you saw in this video and much more. We grow traffic through PPC and SEO. We grow conversion rates through design and catalog merchandising. Of course, we give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. I hope you found this video valuable. Take advantage of our free consultation with one of our executive manager. I'm gonna email you the calendar to book with us. Just click the link. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.